Just gonna make a short video on how to remove the windshield nozzles on this Mini Cooper. Might help someone one day. So when you open the hood, you'll have this tray and you'll have these clips all over. I've already pulled out most of them except for these two. I'm gonna try recording popping it off, but we'll see how that goes. Sometimes you'll need like a little hook tool just to kind of grab up so you don't damage it. And then a pry tool. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna set my phone down for once. So you'll get under there, pop it off. It will drop down. And then you'll be left with the nozzles and a connector clip. So on the connector, you should be able just to use your finger just to push that and pull back. If you can't get it, you can use just be careful with the wires. Pop off. And then this top one where the fluid comes in has a little metal or plastic tab. That you just need to bend it just a little bit so it will unlatch. And it'll just come off. After you've disconnected the hose, you'll have two plastic tabs on top just to press them in and push up. And that's the nozzle.